Zendrop review and tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to review Zendrop and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to zendrop.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And if you don't know this platform, it is an e-commerce platform that provides services for dropshipping businesses, and dropshipping is a business model where online retailers sell products to customers without holding any inventory. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, the retailer purchases the item from a third-party supplier who then ships the product directly to the customer. And as you can see here, this platform offers a US products with a custom branding, subscription boxes, and high volume of sellers, in which it shipped from the US in 5 to 8 business days. And aside from that details, if you scroll down below here, it will show you other info about this platform, including the feedback from other customer or user of this platform. And one of the aim of Zendrop to streamline the dropshipping process and make it more efficient for online entrepreneurs for product sourcing, product fulfillment, inventory management, automated order processing, integration with e-commerce platforms, and product customization. And aside from that, below here, you will see other features and benefits that this platform offers. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you additional information about Zendrop, in which it is also a competitive, straightforward pricing on all products, which you can import any product you want to sell. And you can also import a product from AliExpress in one click, and the product are shipped from the US or China. And if you have other concerns or questions, you can scroll down until you find the frequently asked question, in which you will see a variety of questions below. By clicking on any question, it will show you the corresponding answer. And those questions including, why are you better than AliExpress? Do I have to buy inventory ahead of time? Can I create product bundles? And many more. And now that we know the background info of this platform, we can now proceed by discovering the plans or pricing that this platform offers. And those plans including the free plan, pro plan, and plus plan. And below, you will see on each plan the corresponding prices that you will need to pay per month, and the list of benefits or features below. And as you can see, for the free plan, it offers access to 1 million plus products, world-class support, product sourcing, quick order processing, and industry-leading shipping time. While by purchasing the Pro plan, amounting to $49 per month, you will get all of those access or benefits of pre-plan, as you will have an automated fulfillment, unlimited orders per month, and US products. While by purchasing the Plus plan, amounting to $79 per month, you will get all of those combined feature of Pro plan and free plan. In addition, you will also receive a Zendrop Academy, including the product bundles, subscription boxes, and many more. And in those options, I'm just gonna start using the free plan. And to do that, just click Sign Up Free, which is located on the top right corner. And after that, you will be directed in here. And to sign up on Zendrop, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, including first name, last name, your email address, and you also need to generate your own password. And after that, just choose your country in here, then enter your mobile number, and below, just check the boxes that indicate that you accept the terms and conditions of Zendrop. And after that, just proceed by clicking the sign up button below. And from here, to start the 7 days free trial, just proceed by clicking this button right here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page. From here, you can enter your payment information such as your card number, expiration date, and your CVC. Or alternatively, you can just simply connect your store to Zendrop. So all you need to do is to go to your Shopify, and to begin importing products and automating fulfillment, just paste your URL of your admin Shopify store below. And after that, you will be redirected to Shopify to connect your account with Zendrop. And after connecting your Shopify with Zendrop, you will be directed in this dashboard. And from here, you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can navigate, including dashboard, find products, My Products, Orders, and if you have Upgrade account, you can navigate the branding, bundles and boxes, AliExpress import, trendy products, and many more. And by selecting the dashboard, it will show you on the right side panel the statistics or overview of your orders. And by selecting Find Products option, it will show you the list of a variety of products that you can choose. And on each product, you will see the product cost and the preview image of each product. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. So kindly click on it, and upon clicking on it, it will show you from here the details about this product, including the description of it, the corresponding product cost, and as you can see, the average shipping that indicate in here is 12 days. And if you want to import a product to your list, just click Add to Import List, which is located on the top panel. And after adding to your import list, you can see below the other details including the variant, the product cost, the shipping cost, and the total amount that the customer need to pay to get the specific product. And as you can see, the average shipping is 12 days. It is because we are using the free plan. But if you purchase the Pro plan or the Plus plan, the average shipping time will be 5 to 8 days, since all of those are US products. And aside from that, you can also add additional products in here. Under the Find Products on the left side panel, you can still choose a variety of products that you can import to your list. For example, you want to dropship this stealth case, you will see here the description and the product cost amounting to $5.23. And below here, it will show you the average shipping time, which is 12 days. And you could also see other variants, including the product cost and the shipping cost. And all of those have a total of $10.21. So it simply means that that is the total that the customer need to pay in order to purchase this stealth case. And now, in order to see some of the products from our import list, just click My Products, and on the right side panel, it will show you the import list, store listing, or even other issues that display in your list. And aside from that, you could also navigate the orders option on the left side panel, in which from here, it will show you the number of orders you received from your customer, and we have here different categories such as all, paid, unpaid, link product, issues, orders fulfilled, branding, which we can turn on or off, and auto fulfillment, but you need to have an upgrade account so that you can also access the Zendrop Academy, which will help you to guide in drop shipping. Since one of the importance of Zendrop lies in the benefits it provides to dropshippers and online entrepreneurs engaged in the dropshipping business model, which is to simplify dropshipping process and also to provide a product variety and selection, inventory management and stock control, time and cost savings, supplier network and reliability, and customization options. So that is just how basically the Zendrop work, such as by product sourcing, online store setup, customer orders, order processing, order fulfillment, tracking and delivery, customer support, profit margins, and scaling the business. So that is just Zendrop review and tutorial. Thank you.